Welcome to our video on the top 5 best mini PCs for 2025. Mini PCs are compact powerhouses designed to handle everything from everyday tasks to gaming and productivity without taking up much space. Choosing the perfect one depends on your needs, whether it's for work, streaming, or gaming. Focus on processing power, storage, and connectivity. With so many options, finding the right mini PC can be overwhelming, but don't worry, we've done the hard work for you. These top picks are based on extensive research, positive reviews, and customer feedback. Stick around to see which mini PC suits your lifestyle, and don't forget to check out the description for links and more details. Let's dive in. Lenovo IdeaCentre Mini X. The Lenovo IdeaCentre Mini X redefines compact computing, offering a powerful and efficient experience in a sleek 1-liter design. Powered by the Snapdragon X Plus processor, it delivers robust performance for both professionals and creatives, handling resource-intensive tasks with ease. This mini PC supports up to 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and 1 TB of storage, ensuring smooth multitasking and ample space for your files and applications. Connectivity is a highlight, featuring Wi-Fi 7 and multiple ports, including USB 4.0, providing flexibility for various peripherals and high-speed data transfers. Designed with user convenience in mind, the IdeaCentre Mini X includes a built-in power supply and dual fans for efficient cooling, maintaining optimal performance during demanding tasks. Its compact form factor allows it to fit seamlessly into any workspace, making it an ideal choice for those seeking both style and substance. Set to be available starting April 2025, the Lenovo IdeaCentre Mini X offers a compelling package for those in need of a powerful yet compact desktop solution. With a starting price of $659.99, it provides excellent value for its advanced features and performance capabilities. Geekom GT1 Mega. The Geekom GT1 Mega redefines the mini PC landscape, offering a harmonious blend of power, versatility, and compact design. Encased in a sleek aluminum chassis measuring just 135 by 132 by 46.9 mm, it effortlessly fits into any workspace without compromising on performance. At its core lies the Intel Core Ultra 9185H processor, a 16-core powerhouse capable of handling demanding tasks with ease, paired with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and a swift 2 TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. The GT1 Mega ensures seamless multitasking and rapid data access, catering to professionals and enthusiasts alike. Connectivity is a standout feature, boasting dual USB 4 ports, multiple USB-A ports, dual HDMI 2.0 outputs, dual 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet ports, and a full-sized SD card slot. This extensive array of ports provides flexibility for various peripherals and display setups, accommodating up to 4 monitors simultaneously. The GT1 Mega also embraces the future of wireless technology with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, ensuring fast and stable connections for all your devices. Despite its compact size, the GT1 Mega's robust cooling system maintains optimal performance during intensive workloads, ensuring reliability and longevity. Priced at $989, the Geekom GT1 Mega offers exceptional value for those seeking a high-performance mini PC that doesn't compromise on features or design. Its combination of cutting-edge hardware and thoughtful design makes it a compelling choice for users demanding both power and portability. Minisforum AI X1 Pro. The Minisforum AI X1 Pro sets a new standard in compact computing, seamlessly integrating advanced AI capabilities with top-tier performance. At its core is the AMD Ryzen AI 9HX 370 processor, renowned for its low power efficiency and robust processing power. This mini PC is equipped with an NPU capable of performing up to 50 trillion operations per second, making it adept at handling complex AI tasks with remarkable speed. For graphics, the AI X1 Pro features the AMD Radeon 890M, delivering performance up to 45% faster than competitors, ensuring smooth visuals for both professional applications and entertainment. Storage and memory are highly customizable, with support for up to 96 GB of DDR5 5600 MHz RAM and 3 M22280 PCIe 4.0 SSD slots, allowing for a potential total of 12 TB of high-speed storage. Connectivity is versatile, featuring dual USB 4 ports with 40 gigabits per second transfer speeds, enabling rapid data transfers and support for multiple high-resolution displays. Additionally, the inclusion of an OSU-Link port allows users to harness up to 90% of external GPU performance, catering to graphics-intensive tasks. The AI X1 Pro's sleek design includes a built-in power supply, contributing to its minimalist aesthetic and reducing desktop clutter. While the exact pricing is yet to be officially announced, the Minisforum AI X1 Pro is anticipated to offer a competitive price point, reflecting its advanced features and performance capabilities. Beelink SER9. The Beelink SER9 redefines the mini PC landscape, delivering exceptional performance in a compact form factor. Powered by the AMD Ryzen AI 9HX370 processor, featuring 12 cores and 24 threads, it effortlessly handles demanding tasks, from content creation to AI applications. Complementing the CPU is the AMD Radeon 890M integrated graphics, providing impressive visuals and smooth performance for both professional workloads and casual gaming. The SER9 comes equipped with 32GB of LPDDR5X RAM and a 1TB NVMe SSD, ensuring rapid multitasking and swift data access. Its extensive connectivity options include multiple USB 3.2 ports, USB-C, HDMI 2.1, and a 2.5G Ethernet port, accommodating a variety of peripherals and high-speed network connections. Despite its compact dimensions of 136mm by 136mm by 50mm, the SER9 boasts a robust cooling system that maintains optimal performance during intensive workloads. Priced at $999, the Beelink SER9 offers a compelling blend of power, versatility, and compactness, making it an excellent choice for professionals and enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance in a mini PC. Apple Mac Mini M4 Pro. The Apple Mac Mini M4 Pro elevates compact computing to new heights, delivering exceptional performance in its signature sleek design. Equipped with the M4 Pro chip, it boasts a 12-core CPU and a 16-core GPU, ensuring rapid processing and smooth graphics rendering for demanding tasks like video editing and complex data analysis. This model comes standard with 24GB of unified memory and a 512GB SSD, facilitating seamless multitasking and quick data access. Connectivity is robust, featuring 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 2 USB-A ports, HDMI, and Ethernet, accommodating a variety of peripherals and high-resolution displays. The Mac Mini M4 Pro supports up to 36K displays, catering to professionals requiring expansive visual workspaces. Its compact form factor, combined with a new cooling system, ensures quiet operation even under heavy workloads. Priced at $1,399, the Mac Mini M4 Pro offers a compelling blend of power and versatility, making it an excellent choice for those seeking high-end performance in a compact desktop. Thanks for watching our video on the top 5 best mini PCs for 2025. We hope you found it helpful in choosing your next compact powerhouse. Don't forget to check the description for links to each product and more details. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more tech reviews. Let us know your favorite mini PC in the comments below. See you in the next one.